there! Thank you for watching GreenMangoes channel. Today I would like to share with you this fabulous recipe. It's how to make green mango salad with Arctic surf clams. This recipe has the most nutrients and more proteins with a little amount, so that doesn't require you to eat a lot. So come on, let's get started. So first, we're going to talk about the ingredients that we would need for the dish. Of course, green mangoes. When we choose the green mangoes, we want to make sure choose the one that is hard. You can hear that. Make sure it's nice and green. Some herbs. I have the mint and Vietnamese coriander. Chili pepper. This is just up to you taste how much spicy you like to eat. Sugar. This bowl is a mix of vinegar and cold water. Minced garlic. Fish sauce. Cayenne pepper. Jalapeno. Lime. And 1/4 of an onion. And of course, we cannot miss this most important, the Arctic surf clams. Only 1/4 pound of this could give you 14 grams of protein. So we need this amount of protein here. This is how I clean the Arctic clams. I start on the side angle with the sharp edge of the knife. So like through right there. Go up, be very careful. When you open up the clams, you can see there's some dirt in there. You want to make sure to get all that dirt out. So now you're going to run it through the water. And there, the clams are clean. I'll show you one more. Go on the side angle with the sharp edge of the knife, like up, and run the water. Usually, I just leave the water runs when I do it. However, for the video, it's too distracting with the water running. First, we're gonna peel the green mango. We're gonna peel out the skin first, so just use the peeler. So we're going to use the shredder or peeler to get the thin strips of the mango. It's very hard, so be careful. The first one is harder. That takes some time. Alrighty, so now we're gonna put the mango aside. Alright, so the next things I'm gonna cut is this onion. Cut it as thin as you can. We're gonna put the onion in the mixed water and vinegar. Now I'm going to cut the jalapeno. These are all washed already, okay? The green mango, I washed it before I peel it, and the onion, I washed it also. side. Cut the lime. Alright, we're going to set that right there. Now I'm gonna go heat up this Arctic clams in the microwave. We're gonna heat it up for 2 minutes. Alrighty, now we heated up our Arctic clams. We're going to assemble everything, all the ingredients into it. First, I'm gonna add the fish sauce. Garlic. Sugar. Just kind of spread them out. Chili pepper, cayenne pepper. As you can see, there was some juice from the Arctic clam came out. Do not dump that out, keep the juice in there. Alrighty, and then we're gonna add all that onion in. Squeeze in some lime. I'm just gonna go with 1 slice at first, and then we're gonna taste it because the green mangoes already have that sour taste to it. Maybe just a little bit more. So I'm going to mix it. Now I'm gonna add in the green mangoes. Add in about 1/3 at a time to make sure we can mix it well. Alright, we have some leftover green mango, but I think we're just gonna save it for a different dish. This is enough for this dish. Now we're gonna add in the jalapeno. And the herbs. This is the time you can taste it to see if you need to add more fish sauce or more sugar or more lime. So I'm just gonna try to taste the mango here. It's perfect. Now I'm going to transfer them over to the dish for a better display. Okay, now let's taste it together. Alrighty, we're gonna give this a try. We got the Arctic clam, the Vietnamese, or coriander, or rau ram in Vietnamese, and a little peanut on there. Make sure we get the green mangoes. Alrighty, guys. So good. You can taste the sour, the crunchiness of the green mango, and the chewy part of the Arctic clam, and the spiciness of the chili pepper, and all the herbs, the spices giving that nice essence, aroma in your mouth. I love it. You gotta give this dish a try. Don't forget to add some peanuts, okay? I will make sure I add it to the description and under the ingredients. Well, give it a try. Let me know how you did. Take a picture. I would love to see that. Thank you so much for watching. Please thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time. Also, please leave me a comment if you have requests for some kind of dish that you would like me to show you. I will try my best to accommodate your request. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. See you next time.